How to reset your password on Ticketek. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can reset your password on Ticketek. So kindly watch to the end. The first step is to install Ticketek application, and the second step is to log in into your Ticketek application. Once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the home page automatically, where you'll see the different events that you can get tickets for, both the featured, the nearby, the upcoming, etc. So as you can see this at the lower part of the screen, you can see three options which includes events, accounts, ticket. Just click on account. After clicking on accounts, you'll be brought to the accounts page. On this page, you can see your profile, your tickets, your subscriptions, terms and conditions, etc. So once you click on your profile, and it loads, you'll be brought to your profiles page. On this page, you can see that you have your name, phone number, email address, but you have nothing like password here, right? Yeah, this is because you cannot reset your password directly on your Ticketek account. The only way of resetting your password is by signing out of your account first of all. As you sign out, scroll down and click on sign out, and then when you sign out, you'll be taken to the sign out page. Then when you want to log in, all you need to do then is to click on forgot password. Okay, so by the time you click on forgot password, you'll be asked to enter in your email address. That is email address that you used to register with your account. Enter it in, then a link will be sent to your email address. This link will be used to reset your password automatically. So that is the only way to reset your password on Ticketek. Ensure you try it out. Okay, thanks for watching.